How to recover TikTok messages? It's very simple. All you have to do is tap on your profile icon and tap on the three line which is at the very top. Now here tap on settings and privacy at the bottom. Here you will tap on account. Now you will see an option download your data. Just tap on that. Now you have to wait for a while. Now right here it will show you all the data you will be able to copy from TikTok, and also you have to select a file format. Now once you are done, just tap on request data, which is the pink big bubble. Now after you do that, it will show you that the request is being processing. Now what you can do is you can just slide to the download data, which is at the very top. Now you'll be able to see that your data is being pending, and it might take up to 4 days for you to get the data as it is written on the top. And after 4 days, you might be able to find all of your data, including your profile, activity log, and including your messages. So that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for watching.